All right, you guys, question number 4. The question is literally on the test review, so let's just do that one together. On the front of the test review, the additional practice problems, it shows up as number 12. And it says, show that the log of a over b is equal to negative log of b over a. So I'm going to do this a bunch of different ways. I'm going to do this 3 different ways, actually. Because the way I first saw it and did it, I feel like might be the most confusing way per usual. So how about we start with this side and work our way to this side. Remember, when you're proving something, you can only work with one side at a time. So we're going to do a lot of stuff to this side, and hopefully we get this side back. So we're going to start off with the log of a over b is the same as the log of a minus the log of b. Now, what I did was I factored out a negative 1 because log of a is just a number, log of b is just a number. It's just going to work like normal numbers. So I'm going to factor out a negative 1. Then I'm going to have negative log of a plus log of b. Then if you just flip that around on the inside, it's going to look like the it's going to look like the log of b minus the log of a. And b minus a log of a is just the log, I'm going to take that out, is just the log of b over a. And negative 1 is just the same as a negative. Okay. So without changing the value at all, without removing anything, with just kind of manipulating some things, I have shown that the log, so therefore the log of a over b is equal to negative log of b over a. Okay, you could do it going from the other direction if you want. So let's try that one. So whichever makes more sense to you. Sorry, guys. If we start on this side, we are going to have the negative log of b over a is the same as, oh, I did it, and this time you're not going to factor anything out. Here's what I did for this one. I said negative log of b over a, and this is the way I originally thought of it, is equal to the log of b over a to the power of negative 1, right? Because one of the rules of logs is you can take the exponent, bring it down in front, and multiply it towards your answer. So now I know b over a to the negative 1 is the same as the log of a over b to the positive 1. Okay, and therefore I have proven that the log of a over b is equal to negative log of b over a. If you want the nitty-gritty on how this happened, what that looks like is just that you have let's see, the log of b to the negative 1 over a to the negative 1. And then if you want to make it a to the positive 1, you put it on the numerator. And if you want to make b to the positive 1, you put it on the denominator. And that's what switches them around. Or if you want even more detail, b to the negative 1 is 1 over b. So this would be divided by 1 over a. Keep, change, flip is equal to a over b. Okay, so no matter how much detail you want, but this one step is perfectly okay with me. So I just gave you 2 different ways to do this problem. You choose which way you like, and let me know if you have any other questions about that question.